Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Accord side mirror glass. First, gather your tools, including a pry tool, a screwdriver, and your new mirror glass. Make sure your Honda Accord is parked securely with the engine off. You might also want to apply painter's tape around the mirror housing to protect the paint during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror glass. Use a pry tool to gently separate the old glass from its backing plate, working slowly around the edges. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for heating or blind spot monitoring. Pay close attention to how these wires are routed so you can easily reconnect them to the new mirror glass. With the old glass removed, it's time to install your new mirror. First, reconnect the electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of the new mirror glass. Then, carefully align the new glass with the backing plate. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the mirror until it snaps securely into place. You should hear a distinct click, confirming it's properly seated. Finally, perform some essential checks to ensure everything works correctly. Adjust the mirror using your vehicle's controls to confirm full range of motion. If your mirror has heating elements, test them to ensure they function. Double-check that the mirror is stable and doesn't wobble. A quick clean of the new glass will give you perfect visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.